सच बताऊं, अगर भगत सिंह ज़िंदा होते तो उन्हें कोई पसंद नहीं करता, बल्कि उनसे नफ़रत करना नेशनलिज्म का एक सिंबल बन जाता। तो आज शहीद दिवस के दिन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट शहीद भगत सिंह। Today many people will put on stories and statuses about Bhagat Singh, but would they really like and admire him as they do if they completely knew what his ideologies and a vision for the nation was? Bhagat Singh was an atheist who denied the existence of God. इस क्वेश्चन को लेके आज भी हम अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं. But he dared to question the norms and religious dogmas in his time only. He asked people to question their blind faiths and stood strongly against casteism. Yet we'll see some of the most extremist caste and religious followers call themselves his follower, at least for a day. I was completely mesmerized by his ideologies. He wasn't just a revolutionary, he was a thinker too. जहाँ आज लोग अपने फेवरेट नेता से सवाल नहीं कर पाते, Bhagat Singh stood up against his own father. When his father apologized on his behalf to the British government, he publicly criticized him. Because for him, his nation, ideologies, and the truth stood above everything. If Bhagat Singh saw today's India, especially the youth, he would really be disappointed. Because this isn't the India he fought for. British imperialism may be gone, but it's subtly replaced by native oppression, which gave birth to a generation distracted, divided, and deeply influenced by propaganda. Even if he came back to life, he wouldn't be celebrated. He would be questioned, opposed, and most importantly, misunderstood and manipulated in terms that he would just be a toolkit for the people to get votes. Till his last breath, he was surrounded by books and ideas. This is the kind of India he dreamt for. A nation where people think, question, and understand each other without any division and exclusion. He studied everything from politics in Marx, Lenin, and Trotsky, to philosophy in Russell, Nietzsche, and Rousseau, to even literature in Hugo, Dickens, and Tolstoy, and much, much, much more. If you read his essays and letters, you won't just see a martyr, you see an enlightened soul that refused to bow down. While celebrating this Shahid Divas with Bhagat Singh, we should never forget about Rajguru and Sukhdev. They too led a major role in the freedom struggle. तो इस शहीद दिवस बस याद मत करो, सोचो भी उनके बारे में जिन्होंने अपनी जान दे दी इस देश के लिए. And with that, I can only say, Inqilab Zindabad.